How to log in ClickBank accounts online. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in www.clickbank.com. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, click on Log In at the top section. Under here, enter your email or your account nickname. Your password at the password box. Once it is so, if you would like to recheck your password, click on the eye icon and it will show you your password. Once done, go ahead and click on Login. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And once done, you're good to go. So that wraps up today's tutorial. And remember, for more contents like such, hit the bell icon and we will see you in our next upload.